Hello, y'all. It's 11:57 p.m., almost midnight. Excuse me. So I was just watching some YouTube videos, and then I turned off, the Wi-Fi, turned off the I turned off the Wi-Fi off my phone, and then closed my eyes and try to go to sleep. And I thought to myself, it was so peaceful and quiet. The very second that I closed my eyes, the next door neighbors, one of the ladies started talking loud and sounded like she was yelling at somebody trying to make them wake up. And she went on for over 5 minutes, and I tried to be patient. And I grabbed my phone, and the moment I grabbed my phone and set to film and record, she got really quiet. And then after that, excuse me, after that, I thought I got a little confident and then turned the camera off. I didn't record, but I was about to press record. And then I turned it off, and then she started yapping and talking really loud again. And so then I started trying to record this time, and then she got really, really quiet. Wow. Now I hear the paramedics. So I'm trying to go to sleep. I'm trying to go to sleep. So now I just heard the ambulance sirens. So yeah, I'm saying, like, how does your next door neighbor know when you're about to go to sleep, or when you're filming and recording? So I feel like this got to be spiritual, because it'd be like right on the money. So I will try again to go to sleep. But yeah, she trying to gaslight me, and like she strategically waited for me to start to go to sleep, and then she waited for me to go to sleep. Try to go to sleep, and then she started talking loud, I don't know if she was talking to the dog or her boyfriend or whoever else, talking and yelling and telling that person to wake up, or from what it sounded like, or something like that. But this is my documentation. A lot of times when you try to get the evidence, they hurry up and stop their activity. So now it should be midnight on now Thursday, September 21st, 2023. Yep, 12 o'clock, midnight, right on the dot. It was just 11:57 on Wednesday the 20th. So yeah, now it was the Wednesday the 20th, and now this very moment it's Thursday the 21st.